My mama always called this Stromboli. Now, some of you may refer to it as SOS, I don't know, but this is what we call Stromboli. We're going to start off by browning 1 pound of ground turkey or ground beef. Mom always served this on split rolls, and I did too when my kids were young. And she would put butter on it, and she would sprinkle some garlic powder on top of it when she was done. But I'm just putting some butter and garlic on this loaf of bread that I got from the deli. This stromboli is so versatile. You can make subs out of this. You can put it on split rolls. You can also put it on pasta. It's really good with pasta. And it's even good over mashed potatoes. Back to our recipe, I did put some garlic powder on this bread as well. And then once you've got your garlic butter on the bread, you will need to turn your oven on to broil, and we're going to put this in the oven and just lightly toast that bread. If you're a multitasker like me, let's go ahead and put our stromboli together. We're going to add 1 packet of brown gravy mix to this. And I always drain the fat off of my ground turkey. It does have a little fat in it. And if you're using ground beef, you definitely want to drain the fat off of it. Add 1 can of cream of mushroom. Let's give that a good mix, and I'm going to add some pepper to this. That's optional, but y'all know I like pepper. Lots and lots of pepper. You do want to keep an eye on your bread. Don't forget it's in the oven on broil. Once we get the bread out, we are just going to top this loaf of bread with our stromboli mixture. And just for a little extra taste, I like to top that with some mozzarella cheese. So I topped it with mozzarella cheese. I put this back in the oven, even though I had turned broil off. I put it back in the oven while the oven's hot. Within a few minutes, that cheese melted, and I put a little parsley on top, and voila, this is ready to be served. This only took me about 30 minutes to make. This is budget friendly, and it is scrumptious.